All of you, please take out your English books and take out your lead pencil. Take out your English books and lead pencils in your hand. Show me your English books and the lead pencils as well. Show me. Anna beta, please show me. Alicia, please show me. Okay, students, now start today's lecture. I'm going to share my screen. Now just have a focus on your today's lecture. Hope so my screen is vivid to you all. Okay, today we are going to start our page number 26 and 7. The topic name is starting something new. Before starting our today's lecture, let me share the message of the day. So the message of the day is, if you cannot do great things, do something in a great way. So this is the message, that if you people are not able to get something that is very great and that is very big, do the small thing in such a manner that you can show your skills even in the small things, that your small achievements will make a greater achievement for you. Hope so. The message of the day is clear to you all. Let's move towards our today's topic. To make a clear understanding about the topic, is just we need to know about what are the after school activities and what are the co-curricular, extracurricular या co-curricular activities. So as you can see on your screen, there are some pictures that are defining you what are the co-curricular activities. So the extracurricular or after school activities are those activities that are not required by the course of study at institute. So the curricular or after school activities, as the name suggests you, after school means these are the activities that can be happen after your school work. So these are the activities that are not required in your school syllabi. That is not a requirement for your exam. There are no obligatory but are invaluable in developing your talent and practical skills. So these are not obligatory, these are not hard and fast, these are not for you compulsory, these are only valuable to develop your talent and your practical skills. Now, the extracurricular activities are just activities that you do outside of the class. So these are the activities that you are need to do outside of the class to make yourself more practical, to make yourself more talent, to sharpen your skill, and to make yourself physically active as well. As you see in the picture, there are some examples of extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities maybe in the form of the piano, maybe in the form of the music, in the form of the book reading, in the form of the gardening. It depends upon you. Now just move toward the question. As you can see on your books, just take out the page number. As I already told you, take out the page number 26 for that. What kind of the after school activities are there in your school? So you need to tell what are the after school activities. Please answer me in the chat box. What are the after school activities in your school? Some of the activities I have mentioned for you for your more understanding. More of these activities you need to tell me in the chat box. So the co-curricular and extracurricular and after school activities that that I'm going to mention with you are debates in your school, excursions. Excursions mean a one-day trip any kind of a trip or any kind of a camping and kind of a hiking. That is offered by your school. A fun day, bonfire, picnic, fun fair, and science model, as well as annual sport day. So please, students, answer me in the chat box if any other kind of the activity you know. Elisha, art, very good. Picnics, science exhibition, trip, any other kind of the activity you want to tell me, please tell. The speech activity, yes, it's also the debate activity. You can say that, Ushna. The trip, yes. That seems that you get a clear understanding what I want to say. What I want to say is just giving you the Christmas program. Very good, Muskan. Only I need to give the idea about the co-curricular after school activities or extracurricular activities. You can say them after school activities, you can say them extracurricular activities, you can say them co-curricular activities. Are the same name for these are the different names for the same things. SITS competition, Christmas party programs, handwriting competition. These are all the activities that are done in your school as an after school activity. Now just look at the slide. Word study extracurricular activities. As you can see on your book, that is written on the clue number 2, that is the word study, where you need to tell me, look after school activities and talk about what you do. Student, please see on the picture that are mentioned on your book and as well as your screen. So what the boy is doing in the first picture? This picture is belong to the chess club or a football club or a computer club or a music club? Please answer me in the chat box. Where this picture is belong to? What the boy is doing? Yes, very good, chess club. Please now encircle the chess club with your pencil. Now please encircle the chess club with your pencil. In the what is in the next picture, student? What they are doing? Learning about how to use internet or act or dive or swim. What they are learning? Are they learning about internet? Are they learning about act? Are they learning about dive or are they learning about swim? Yes, students, you all are right. They are learning about internet. Please encircle the internet. Please encircle the internet. Please encircle the internet. Encircle the internet. For the first, you need to encircle the chat box. Hope so, student. It is clear to you all. Now, moving towards the next slide. As you can see that on the page number 26, there is an email writing. So before reading the email writing, I want you all to give a clear-cut idea about the email writing. I want to tell you people what is email writing. So students, what is email writing? Email is a shorter form. The full name of email is electronic mail. As you all can see on your screen, that full name is electronic mail. You can write it as an email or email. You can write it in that way or in that way also. It's an internet service. You can say that it is an internet service. It is used to message someone. It allows to have email address. To email someone, you have to make your email account to send and receive the message. If you have your email account, you are able to send the message as well as you are able to receive the messages. Those are the postal letters. Have you remember about the past postal letters? In past, our ancestors used to send some postal letters. Hopefully, you all know about these letters. In past, we used to send our letter in the post, and these in the post offices, and these post offices send our letter to other person. So it was a very much long process. You can say that it is also named as a snail process. Snail, you know that, na? Snail is an animal uh, or a reptile that moves so much slowly like a turtle. So now the postal letters is changed with the new invention, and this new invention is email. Hope so. What is an email is now clear to you all. Let's move towards our next page. Sorry, students. Okay. Now, students, let's move towards the next page. As you can see in your books, that there is an email that is written to Miss. That email is written to Mrs. Miller, by the Kareem Khan and Nathan Smith. As you can see on my screen and as well as on your books. So let's read all together about the email. Dear Mrs. Miller, we know, like we would like to ask your permission to start a newsletter for year 6. We think that there are a lot of exciting things happening in our year and a lot to write about. Our classmates are interested and some said they would like to write for our newsletter. So this is the idea. So this is the idea which the student of the 2 class and they are just 6 year old, they are giving that we are asking for the permission of a newsletter for students of 2 class. We think that to make a newsletter is an exciting thing. We have a lot of students with us to write with us, and we all are interested and like to write that newsletter. Let's move toward the number 3. We would like to produce the newsletter every 2 months. We both belong to the computer club, so we could make the newsletter there. Our from teacher, Mrs. Sinch, has offered to help us. So what he is saying, they are saying that we all are we all are agree to write a newsletter after every 2 months. We both, means Kareem and Nathan, both are belong from a computer club, and their computer teacher is also agreed to help them in that task. Now move toward the fourth one. He says that we should ask your permission first before we can start, and that we should show you the newsletter before we send it to our classmates. If you like our idea, could we come and see you to tell you more? So the fourth paragraph is all about the permission. They are asking about the permission from their teacher that they want to write a newsletter, and they are agree. And before starting that newsletter, they want to show it to Mrs. Miller. Now in the fifth, there is a salutation or the ending. Yours sincerely, Kareem Khan and Nathan Smith, class 2, 6 years old. So the first word is, you can say that it is all about the greeting. The second is about the idea, they are giving the idea. And the third is what they are going to do, they are telling it. Fourth is they are asking about the permission, and fifth one is the greeting. Let's move toward let's now move towards the readings. As we have done the reading on the page number 26, now look at the page number 27. What you need to do, you need to answer me. Answer the sections. Please, students, do work with me. Now take out your pencil and be attentive now. Read. Match the session 1 to 5 in an email in their function. As you can see in the email, there are the 5 things that are written here. You need to mention what thing is written. As you can see, one is done for you, how they are going to produce. So this is the main thing what they are going. As I already tell you, this is come under the fourth one. Now move toward the B. We have need to do beta page number 27. You have do the reading on page number 26 now. On the 27 you need to do it. You can see on your books. So the second one is what they need to do before starting. What they need to do before starting. What they need to do starting, beta? Please answer me. What they are going to do? You need to answer me. Beta, as I already tell you in the 4 that they need to ask the permission from their teacher. So in the second there should be the number 4 that they need to ask the permission from their teacher. Yes, Maxwell, it's very good. And the next is the C, ending of the email. What is the ending of the email? Where is the ending of the email? Please tell me. Is the ending in 1? Is in 4? Is in 3? Very good, Irfa. The ending is in 5. Let's move toward the D. Where is the greeting? Greeting. Where is the greeting? Students, answer me, where is the greeting? What is the greeting? Greeting is something that you, whenever you meet someone, you say that peace be with you. You say that assalamu alaikum. You say that dear hello. This is known as a greeting. Now look at your letter and tell me where is the greeting. Look at the letter which is written to the Mrs. Miller and tell me where is the greeting here. Answer me, students. Yes, very good, Jessica and Zubia. The greeting is done in 1, the first one. And the last is why the boy want to produce the newsletter. What is their main aim? Because they all are interested in writing a newsletter, so that's why they are going to write a newsletter. Hope so this is very much clear to you all now. Any question regarding it? Hopefully there is no question. Let's move toward another one. Okay, students. These are the sample email writing that I have shared to you. In this way, you need to write an email. This is the way and this is the pattern. Sorry, students. This is the pattern that you need to follow. I will read it for you. Dear Mrs. Dunphy, thank you for all your hard work this year. Helen loves school and it's easy to see why. We hear all about the active way you deliver lesson and encourage the student to participate in extracurricular activities. We are pleased that our daughter is learning so much. Have a great summer. You deserve it. Thanks and regard, Gloria Pritchett. So this is the way, and other is also an example. These are both are the example that I have shown you to do the answer, to do your homework. Now please, all of the students, take out your diaries and do that homework. Write an email to your teacher to ask for something. Choose any one idea. There are the 3 ideas that are given to you. You only need to choose one idea to answer. You need to do that on your English A copies. So this is it for today, students. Hope so the things are clear to you all. Hope so there is no questions left